Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your business profile using the video verification. So let's say your business profile isn't being normally verified. What you do is that you can submit a request for a video verification. What you need to do is you need to of course go on their support page, and there you'll go on their contact us option. You'll basically go on their help center. What you need to do is you will see this screen right in front of you. The first step would be what we can help with, the second step would be resources, and the third step would be contact options. So what we'll do is we're going to start with step 1 at first. Here you need to simply write video verification and then you'll click on next. Now we've clicked on next and we can see all of these descriptions. Choose the best description of its issue. So what you need to do is you'll just simply press on other, since the other verification issues don't directly fit under video verification. So let's just select other. Next step. Now what you need to do is you're going through resources. You can go ahead, you can read these resources as well if you want to, but we're just going to skip through that. You can check step 2, start a text chat with support on any device. Check your verification status, can't upload verification video. These are resources that you can open up on a different website. Of course, if you can find a solution from here, if you can find some extra information from here, when you're following these steps, you can just simply go on, you can press these links and be redirected to them. So what we'll do is we'll click on next step. So now we're on step 3, contact options. If your preferred language is English, you will select that. Otherwise, you can simply just select any other language, but I prefer English. So we'll simply just press on email. From here you will just simply press on I need support for a different issue when they ask you what is your issue. Here you'll simply first of all add your name. You can add your relationship to the business. If you're an owner, you'll select the option for owner. Otherwise you can select these other options as well that are present. From there you'll go over here, you'll add your email address, you'll add your phone number, and then you'll add your business name and business address. Now the next option is what is the public URL or map link for your business page. What you need to do is, like they're showing you right here, you need to select your business page. You basically need to search up your business on Google or your web browser. From there you'll see a maps option for it. You need to basically open that up, and on top you'll see a link like this showing up. You need to just copy this link and you'll basically paste it here. Then you'll go what is your business website. You can add that here. Then you'll go on describe your issue. So first of all, the related case ID is needed. Here you need to just add a simple message. That's basically what you need, right? You can write this or you can write something on your own as well. And that's all you need to do. You'll basically click on submit, and then you'll just wait for a response from them. Hopefully they give you the permission for video verification, and in that way you'll be able to verify yourself through video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.